Apollo.io can be a valuable tool for copywriters, especially those working on lead generation, sales campaign, or client-specific messaging. Here's how to use Apollo.io for copywriting. Research your audience. Use Apollo.io's advanced filters to find detailed information about your target audience, such as their job titles, industries, company sizes, and locations. This data helps you understand your audience better, allowing you to craft personalized and relevant copy. Enrich audience profiles. With Apollo.io, you can access enriched contact data, including company insights, pain points, and industry trends. Use this information to create targeted and persuasive copy that resonates with the needs and goals of your audience. Personalized campaigns. When creating email campaigns or marketing materials, Apollo.io allows you to use dynamic fields like names, roles, and companies. This makes your copy feel personal and tailored, increasing engagement rates. Test and optimize messages. Use Apollo.io's email sequences to test different variations of your copy. Track open rates, click-through rates, and replies to analyze what works best. Leverage insights for compelling headlines. Use data from Apollo.io to craft headlines and calls to action that speak directly to your audience's challenges and aspirations. Streamline outreach. Automate follow-ups with pre-written sequences, ensuring consistent messaging without sacrificing quality.